Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was pretty much the group head over here, as you can see, so completely cracked and need to be replaced. It was pretty hard to find this part, but once we did, we just put it back in there, replace the gasket, deep clean the group head, and pretty much all that you can see in there. It was pretty dirty and some of the parts were a little bit worn out. That's why the portafilter needs to be on this position instead of the 90-degree one. But once you get it in here, it will provide a good seal and it's not gonna leak. And as you can see, working perfectly fine. Look at that color. Good coffee, I might drink this. And now for the steamer. We just put it bucket over here so you can see the steam. Otherwise you won't be able to see it. And it's working perfectly fine. Working good. Okay, thank you for Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.